How to remove your cover photo on Facebook. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can remove or delete cover photo on Facebook. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through. In order to remove the cover photo on Facebook, first things first, you want to open up Facebook. Then you want to head over to your profile by tapping on the profile icon there on the screen. Once on your profile, now here you'll find the cover photo. I don't have any picture, so I'll just upload one real quick here. So once the picture is uploaded, or if you have the picture there that you wish to remove, let this get uploaded. So as you can see, the picture has been updated. You want to tap on the profile picture there on your profile. Then you'll find the option that is see cover photo. You want to tap on see cover photo, and then once you open it up, you'll find the three dots option at the top right corner. Tap on it, then tap on delete photo, confirm the deletion, and it'll be gone. So this is the way that you can easily remove Facebook cover photo. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.